Welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is CAD with Mr. Hugh, and we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. And as a result, in today's video, we'll be showing you a short video of how design is used in everyday life, right? Specifically, some of the examples are engineering, architecture, and electrical engineering. So, in the previous video, we looked at the design cycle. What what were the 7 steps, or what are the 7 steps that are used to design a product from the start to the finish, right? So I highly recommend that you visit that video entitled The Design Process so that you can familiarize yourself with the basic requirements or steps that you use to problem solve using the design cycle. And as I said, in today's video, we're looking briefly how do we use this design principle in everyday life. Okay, thanks for joining, and we'll be starting the video now. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at the design. How is the design process used in everyday life, as I stated in the introductions. Now, in the previous video, we looked at the design, and I would highly recommend that you visit that video because design is used in architecture, engineering, and building construction, and even in electrical engineering because you have to design a circuit, you have to design a electrical system to carry the power from the generating plant to the different households or industrial companies that would use the electricity that is generated by a substation, a power station, or a hydro station. All right, so that topic is important in any sphere of engineering and even maintenance because you might have to re-engineer the 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 machine. So JPS for the JPS in my territory is the sole com- company that provides or distributes electricity in my country. So just to give you a background of what JPS is, it's a power producing and distribution company in the country where I reside. Okay. For example, some time ago they had a turbine, a generator, and initially used the regular bulk oil and I converted it to use something like natural gas, right? So you'd have to re-engineer the existing generator in that instance and redesign it so that or retrofit it so that it can use a different type of energy source in the form of the natural gas. All right. All right. This brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how is the design process, how is it used in everyday life, and some of the everyday life situations was in engineering, electrical engineering, and maintenance engineering. Okay, so we thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be looking at building drawing. Now, architecture is closely aligned with building drawing, so we are looking forward to seeing you in that video. Bye. If you found the information useful, then perhaps you could subscribe, press the notification bell, click the like button, share and subscribe, and or comment.